Hey y'all, welcome back to Plant and Plate with Mr. Chris. Today we're going to be making something that is creamy, cheesy, and just packed with flavor. We're going to make a creamy, cheesy casserole with bell peppers. This thing's great for holidays, Sunday dinners, potluck, and it's super easy to make. I mean, even I can do it. So let's get to making it. To start the recipe, you want to get you a casserole dish, something about a 2-quart casserole dish. Go on and spray it down with some cooking spray so it doesn't stick, and preheat your oven to 350, and then get you a large bowl. And I'll put all the ingredients in the description for you. So we're going to take a large bowl, and the first thing we're going to put in it is this is just hush puppy mix. It's 8 ounces. You can get Martha White or just any bag of hush puppy mix, but you want it to be 8 ounces, otherwise it'll get too bread in your casserole. Dump that in, and this is some cream corn. It's about 15 ounces. I just opened it up and got it out of the bowl, out of the jar, so I didn't have to fight it while we're doing it. Go on and dump that into your bowl. This is a can of whole kernel corn, 15 ounces. Just dumped it out of my jar from the garden, drained it well, and put it in here so it'll be easier to get out. I've got a stick of butter that I've melted. We're going to dump that in. This is 4 ounces of sour cream, roughly about half a cup. We're going to go and dump that in here. I got a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's original Creole seasoning. That's what's going to give this thing a little flavor. We're going to dump that in. And then I got a bell pepper that I just diced up. We're going to go on and dump that in as well. And this is 1 cup of shredded up just cheddar cheese. If you want it a little spicier, you can also use pepper jack, give it a little more kick. And then we got about 3 green onions that I just diced up, sliced it up kind of thin. We want to reserve a little of that to put on top as a garnish when it's said and done. Something about like that. And after we get all that in there, we're just going to stir this thing up till we get all that combined into a consistent mixture. I'm going to stir on this thing for a minute, show you what it looks like when it's done, and we'll be right back. Alright, I've got it mixed up. You know, this is the consistency of what you're looking for, just a well blended mixture. This is my greased casserole dish, and we're just going to dump all of that right into here. Once we get it all into our casserole dish, you just kind of want to smooth it out. We're going to bake this thing in the oven on 350 for 40 to 45 minutes till the top is golden brown and the center is set. Once this thing gets done, I'll pull it out and let you see what we got. I'll be right back. We got our casserole out of the oven. This is what it looks like when it comes out. We're going to take and put some chopped up green onion on top of it as a garnish, and then we'll plate this thing up and let's see what we got. These are the green onions that we had left over that we held back. We're just going to sprinkle some of them on top. Just kind of make it look a little prettier. Alright, let's scoop some of this out and see what we're working with here. This is what it looks like after it gets all plated up. Let's take a taste of this thing. So when this thing comes out of the oven, it smells awesome. You can smell those peppers and the onion, and it's very fragrant, great smelling casserole. So let's see what we got here. Y'all, this thing is awesome. You'll be the hero at your potluck or your holiday dinner right here. This is an awesome casserole. It's cheesy. It's got a little something from that Tony Chachere's we put in there and the bell pepper and onion in it. If you're tired of doing just corn like corn on the cob or a nice plate of cream corn, do this. This takes corn to a whole new level. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more for Plant and Plate, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll get notified when we do something new, because we put something out every week and you can go, hey, what's that goofy Mr. Chris up to now? If you decide to make it, leave me a comment. Let me know how it turned out. And I hope you have great holidays and you make wonderful memories with your family around the dinner table. God bless. We'll see you down the road.